Hello everyone and welcome to Walaxy. In this video, we will see how to create a fake account that won't be banned easily. Before starting, you need to know an AI is in charge of detecting fake accounts. That means that no matter how you try hard to make your account real, there will always be some risk of your account being banned. However, with the use of the tips we list below, you can reduce this to a bare minimum. First of all, you will need to create a new Chrome session dedicated to your fake account. If you use the same Chrome session for different LinkedIn accounts, LinkedIn will retrieve shared cookies, and trust me, they easily ban multi-accounts. The Chrome session is the best way to keep safe all your LinkedIn accounts. Now that my session is created, let's move to the next step. We need to find a name. If you don't have any idea, I suggest you use fake name generator. Note that young women have a better acceptance rate. Also, remember that the name has to look real for LinkedIn, but also for your prospects. Make sure homonyms exist. To continue on your fake identity, create an email address for your persona. Note that Outlook's mail addresses are easy to create and safer than Russian email providers or even Yahoo's addresses. The best will be to use Gmail, but they limit your number of accounts. Now, we need to find a credible profile picture. Note that if the picture can be found on a Google search, your account won't survive a week. The best thing is to use a royalty-free images bank such as Unsplash. However, LinkedIn can recognize them as well. In this case, I recommend subscribing to FaceApp to match these pictures together or even yours. For instance, we match our pictures to always create new accounts. Make sure to have the authorization to use these pictures first. Now, let's create the LinkedIn account. Make your persona work in a big company or university. This way, people from the same place will accept them. Request anyone suggested. You can also request your real account or the fake accounts you created. Before growing your account for real, make sure to fill up the profile to be intermediate at least. Your account needs to look human. Now that everything is ready and that you have at least one connection, you can use Walaxy to grow your network. Start by connecting only to second-degree relations. You can lower your quotas not to send too many actions. This can be suspicious for LinkedIn as well. To look active for LinkedIn, you can also download Podawa to automatically like and comment on posts. For more tips, don't hesitate to read the article I added to the description. Thank you and see you soon on Walaxy.